My child, listen to my voice, for I am the one who knows you by name. I have seen your struggles and heard your cries in the stillness of the night. Be still now, and know that I am with you. I am the good shepherd, and I leave the 99 to seek the one. Yes, you. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Do you feel the weight upon your shoulders, my child? Do you think it is too much to bear? Cast your cares upon me, for my yoke is easy and my burden is light. Will you trust me to carry what you cannot? I know your heart has been broken. The world may have bruised you, but take heart. I bind up the brokenhearted and heal their wounds. You're not forgotten, nor are you forsaken. Like the potter with clay, I am molding you, shaping you for a purpose far greater than you can see. Do you believe that beauty can rise from the ashes of your pain? Though you walk through the valley of the shadow of death, fear no evil, for I am with you. My rod and my staff will comfort you. When you feel lost, remember that I am the way, the truth, and the life. I will guide you beside quiet waters and restore your soul. Are you willing to follow where I lead? My child, I know you feel unworthy at times, but remember the prodigal son. When he returned, I ran to him, embracing him with love and rejoicing over him. So, too, do I rejoice over you. Do you know how deeply I love you? My love is unchanging, steadfast, and eternal. Look to the sparrows. They do not sow or reap, yet I feed them. Are you not worth more than many sparrows? Do not worry about tomorrow, for I am the God who provides. Seek first my kingdom and my righteousness, and everything else will be given to you as well. Will you surrender your worries to me today? My plans for you are plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Even when the road ahead seems uncertain, I am your light and your salvation. Whom shall you fear? The storms may rage, but I am the one who calms the wind and the waves. Do you believe that I hold your future in my hands? I stand at the door and knock. If you hear my voice and open the door, I will come in and dine with you, and you with me. What is holding you back from letting me into every part of your heart? My child, you are my workmanship, created in Christ Jesus to do good works, which I prepared in advance for you to do. You are not defined by your past mistakes, but by my grace, which is sufficient for you. Are you ready to walk in the freedom I offer? As I speak to you now, remember this: I am for you, not against you. I am your refuge, your strength, and your ever-present help in trouble. Be strong and courageous, for I go before you. Will you take courage and step forward in faith? May my peace, which transcends all understanding, guard your heart and your mind. My grace is upon you, my child. You are loved, and you are mine. What will you do with the love I have given you? Will you let it transform your heart and guide your steps? Go now in my peace. I am with you always, even to the very end of the age.